I decided to go ahead and go to AutoZone and get that single spark plug that I was talking about previously, because there was one missing, and I pulled the plugs and they're all exactly the same. They're the Bosch double platinums, and apparently those are really good spark plugs. So I just need to get one. So I'm here to get one, and I'm going to get some spray 9 to see if I get stains out of the headliner. Apparently it is really good stuff, so we'll find out. AutoZone. Okay, we're back from AutoZone. They didn't have any spray 9, so I'll have to get some from Walmart or something, but I got this wheel scrub stuff. It's supposed to be really good. And I got the single spark plug. It is a double platinum Bosch. So get that installed. Okay, this spark plug goes right down in there. That was the only one. That one was missing whenever I got the car. So I had to put one of the old ones that was in the bag in it. So now we're going to replace it with the one that matches the rest. Yep, that's it. Looks just like the other ones. Okay. Oops. Okay. See how it runs now. I was sitting here working on the Jetta, and I just got a notification on my phone that said your package has arrived, and I was like, what? I went to the mailbox, and my Rock Auto box, don't know what's in it yet, came, and so did my door switch for the driver's side door. This is so light, it weighs like 10 ounces. Oh yay, it's bubble wrap. Let's see what I actually got. Oh, my antenna. Forgot I ordered that. The one on the car is destroyed. Look at that. That's good. So we got new antenna. Is that it? Let's see what magnet we got. Nice. Put that over here. I do have more. I thought I had them on there, but I guess not. Okay, there's that one. Oh, it's weird, it's not popping. Now let's open that one. And this should be the door switch, because it said switch doctor on it. Let's see. Oh yeah, beautiful. Very nice. Now let's look at the old one, for example. This is the old one. It's all nasty, peeling, and this is broken, and the clips are broken. This is the new one. Look at that difference. Install it. 3, 2, 1. And done. Now to actually install it, you pull this off, like that, and then it comes out. And you unclip that clip. Then the other one pops in. And I'll have to get pliers in here and get all the broken tabs out of the... Oh, or just pull on them. Out of there. Look at that. Brand new. You can definitely tell the difference when this is out compared to when that was out. Looks really good, actually. And I need to figure out how to get all this fuzz off. It's really hard. It's running about the same, or it could be running a little better, I can't really tell. But I'm sure it's way better. maiden voyage to the emissions place. Got our tags, and now we need to get it emissioned to register it. We made it to the emissions place, and it took 16 miles. Made it just fine. Temperature is good. Gas gauge is reading. No lights. Very nice. Also, the AC is blowing really cold. It's pretty amazing. It's a very nice car, actually. There's that new window switch put in. Shift boot still holding up good on the knob. Yeah, very nice. Cruising at 45 in 5th gear. Perfectly.